Hi everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ngozi. So you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's one, as people have already seen and about to see more and worse. Yeah, this place is Anambra State, ONITSHA Anambra State, Nigeria. A normal day, as usual, it started raining. Yeah, it started raining and we stayed back at the shop thinking that maybe it's going to reduce for us to start going home, but he refused to stop. We decided to go home. Yeah, we decided to go back home like that. And on getting to this point, we met with traffic. It was so terrible. Someone actually reached out to us telling us to go back, that we should reverse, that some vehicles in front of us have stopped working as a result of rain. Water entered the wrong places in their car, so that we should go back. So we waited, wanted to go back, but there were a lot of vehicles at our back. So we thought of what to do, and the gutters have already filled up. Rain, you cannot differentiate between gutters and the road anymore. Like this place you are looking at now, in front of this shop is a very deep gutter and main road. You cannot differentiate which one is gutter and which one is main road anymore. At this point, I started praying silently. Yeah, God, come and make a way for us. We cannot be trapped. So that is it. All of a sudden, the vehicle started moving, and when we got to this point, we saw people. I'm going to show you people ahead. Yeah, these people are seeing. They waved at us and told us we had better come inside this place and to save our lives, because up in front of us are the water is worse. As you can see, this vehicle, the driver is not in the vehicle. Like this black Golf, the driver is not in it. And so that is it. We decided to take shelter. We drove into that primary school. I'm going to show you that, guys, that place. So but what you are looking at now is this is my husband, is one of them, and they are waving at other vehicles trying to go up, that they should come and park into the primary school and wait until the flood reduces. So, and this man, as he was about to come in, the car stopped working. A lot of panic, because there are lots of cars in front, at the back of this man, waiting for him to go up so that they will park. But as God may have it, God helped them to push it towards this place, and this man right behind him started making a way for him to come in. Like, this is amazing how people come together to form family when in an unfortunate situation. Everyone here just literally became like one family, shouting at other motorists who want to take the risk. Everybody will be shouting at the people. Some will change their mind and park, and some wouldn't mind and keep going forward. So on today's own, I'm not going to talk about our governor or the government, because this area now, I don't even know what should be done. Though the roads are not good. The road is not good. A lot of pothole, but that is not the case. The two gutters here are so deep. That's the left and right gutters. They are so deep. What is causing the flood is what I cannot even explain. Yeah, I have heard a lot of stories about this place when it's rained like this, but I have never met it this way. It was so scary, to tell you the truth. It was so scary. You can imagine the frustration on the faces of those ones with us that are going on a very far journey. Like, I can remember there are people, one Hummer bus that drove in. Those people in there, they are traveling to Aba, and this time is about is it to 6 This place now is the primary secondary school, Modebe primary secondary school, I think. Look at these vehicles. All of us are running for our dear lives because it can get worse here in Anambra State. Flood is something else. So at this point, I'm going to leave you guys with the sight and sound of the situation here. Okay, as you are watching, please remember to thumbs up the video, share, like, subscribe if you have not. So may the good Lord bless and keep all of us in Jesus' name. Amen. Before the man and rota.
Hey, where did they Chris? The friend go down.